It's January 25th, 2015. This is my sweetie Diego, and he got himself a vacuum today at the Walmart. Do you love your vacuum?
Yeah.
Can you turn it on? He's not quite a year and a half old yet. He already knows how to turn on and operate his own vacuum. I wish this thing really sucked up stuff. Pardon our mess. Somebody's been playing. What's going on? Can you vacuum? You vacuum the floor? Show mommy. He's got his cuddle dud long johns on. Show me how you vacuum. Clean up the floor. Uh-oh. Does it need to be pushed down? Come here and I'll fix it. Here, let me fix it. Come here, let Mama fix it for you. Bring it over here, I'll fix it. He's very independent, he doesn't want me to fix it. Okay, good boy, watch. Gotta put it. There you go. Now you could vacuum. There he goes. Vacuum. Good boy.